Good afternoon, my good friends on YouTube. This is Joe here with Home Express, and this is Big Joe behind me, and we are on another adventure, another video for you. This is gonna be fun because we are going to Miami, Florida. We're getting loaded off that material over there, which is the same. This over here. So this will be rolls like felt or something like that for roofing. Is going to Hialeah, Florida, so right in the heart of Miami. And we got the truck over here. I did wash it a little bit. It looks a little nicer than what it was when I came down from the snow and the salt, but I can show you real quick. It's very rusty in the sides that don't have paint, because I haven't been able to paint the truck, the chassis. And I know I should have done it before, the winter, but it is what it is. And the trailer is also rusty in some spots, like right there. And brake chambers, you see the rust. This is surface rust. It's not that bad, but I don't like it at all. So I'm gonna be painting the truck, the chassis of the truck and all those parts real soon, hopefully before mats, because I do want to take this truck to mats this year, and I have about 2 weeks to do all that, and still have to work in between those 2 weeks. So let's see if we can pull it off. That's the truck coming around. So as you can see, we keep at it. We're working. We're trying to make some money. This fuel spike in the last few days is killing everybody in the trucking industry. The fuel went up too much, too fast, and now the loads, the rates, haven't catch up with the fuel prices. So everybody's struggling, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Well, I got the load tarped. I did a crappy job tarping the load because I did it on the fly. Was waiting 4 hours to get loaded. That is a long time in trucking hours. But well, at least I'm not the last one getting loaded. There are more guys over there that are still getting loaded. They still need to strap and tarp. So this is what I did. Not too shabby for doing it at the speed that I did it. So truck is airing out after 4 hours of being sitting. That's it. I'm going home. I'm going to spend tomorrow working on the truck. I'm going to replace 2 tires on the trailer, and I'm going to mount probably 2 brand new steers. This one, these tires, they're not too bad. They're actually good tires still. There's a lot of tread left, but they are a little old. This one is almost new. You see, it's almost new. It's got more like 70% of the life, but the date they were built, I don't like it. Those are the steers, so I'd be better off replacing those 2 and putting 2 brand new ones that I have at home as spares. So I already have them, so I might as well use them. So that's it. I'm gonna show a little bit of driving, through the mountains going back home. It'll be 2 hours of back roads. I'm gonna show a little bit of it. I don't want to bore you guys to death with too much driving. And I know for sure that most of you don't want to listen to me talking for that long. So enjoy the POV. So here we go up the hill. 47,000 pounds. We're doing all right. Yeah, this hill is 13%. For those of you that knows, it's very steep. Stretch of road is not recommended for trucks because it's too long of a hill and too steep. But I'm taking it easy up the hill. See many trucks here, you know, overheated the engines. Right now we're getting on the steeper stretch. Well, I finished climbing that hill. It was very steep. I ended up reaching the top doing 15 miles an hour because it's so steep that when you load it, you can overheat the engine really, really fast. So I do take it easy.